Hi there, it's Martin again, and in this video, I'll walk you through how to edit your monitoring alerts in Propel. Keeping your monitoring data accurate and relevant has never been easier. Let's get started. First, navigate to the Monitor tab in your Propel dashboard. Find the alert you want to edit, and then click the Edit icon to start making your changes. Make your desired changes in either the Online and Print, Social, or Broadcast tabs, and then hit Save. For online and print media, keep in mind that any edits you make will be applied retroactively. This means your updates will show up immediately across your results page, even for past data. However, for social media and broadcast alerts, changes will only reflect from the moment you make them. Previous results will remain unchanged. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can ensure your monitoring data stays precise and current. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to us at support@propelmypr.com or check out our other resources.